Hello, so today me and my friend want to introduce our character in our film. So first, I am Jevon Postin. My name is 280-16248. My role as a narrator. Narrator is the person who tells the story in this film. And I want to let my friend to introduce their character in this film. So first is Nindi as a Tinkerbell.
Let me introduce Indi Hoirunisa with name 280-16227. Here I play the character Tinkerbell. She is a beautiful fairy character who is cute and has wings she can fly around carrying trains. She has appeared in multiple film and television adaptation of the Peter Pan story, particularly the 1993 Walt Disney animation Peter Pan picture. He also interpreted the official sequel to Peter Pan in Scarlet by Geraldine Owens and was commissioned by Grant Ormond as the hospital, as well as the Peter and Stager book series by Riddle Preston and Doug Berry, only a sporting character described by him as the creator of the common fire. Is a resounding image in cartoon and since the has become the little recognized official mascot of the Walt Disney Company and the centerpiece of this Disney Paris media practice involved the direct concept Tinkerbell. In her image from she left a trail of people she died. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Ratna with name 280-16239. Here I will introduce my character. Here I play the role of Silvermeat. She is water talent fire who is best described as sweet, silly and sympathetic. Sympathetic personality can be seen in many situations. Like as when Terence is angry with Tinkerbell and the lost treasure. She is always ready to lend an ear to a fair friend in need and give them good advice for some reason and not in some ways. But she usually give more good advice than not. She is really good fire to be friends with. Silvermeat has a delightful way of saying everything. Very much a free spirit. She is often listened to her heart more than her need. That's why she rather still for some reason. She is easygoing feeling who is eager to please and make friends ill. Her sense of loyalty is unmatched and it often rubs up on things. Silvermeat's guilt pleasure is listening to rumors and never let gossip from the babbling brook. In Silvermeat and the That Book Curse, it is mentioned that Sil is the only fire in Pixie Hollow who does never believe in cursor and other fire superstition. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Novi Yunianti. My name is 20080162445. I will introduce my character here. I play the role of Rosetta. Rosetta is a charming and well-mannered garden fairy residing in Pixie Hollow. She has a sassy streak with a Tinkerbell, and in the film speaks with a Southern accent. The always tries to look her best and love giving beauty tips and makeovers to her friends and followers. She is close friend with Fawn and Silvermere. She is the main protagonist in Tinkerbell and the Pixie Hollow games and serves as the Tritagon's in Tinkerbell, Tinkerbell and the Lost Treasure, Tinkerbell and the Great Fairy Resource, and Secret of the Wings. Rosetta arrived in Pixie Hollow before most of her friends, so she is presumed to be a little worse than the others. It is shown in Tinkerbell and the Great Fairy Resource that the sea dissects mud. Despite being a garden fairy, she tends to become witty of judging a book by its cover. Rosetta wears pink or red dress and that resemble of flower petals. She has somewhat curly shoulder-like hair and the pirate's fairy. Rosetta temporarily becomes an animal very much to her dismay. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Regita Dwi Pratiwi with NIM 20080126118. I am playing the character is Iridesa. Iridesa is a light fairy who always looks on the bright side of things. She likes order and following the rule. She is warm and calming and makes all new fairies feel at ease. Iridesa is one of the most talented fairies, not only as a light fairy but as fairy overall. She is animated at what she does as a fairy and takes great pride in it. Being a very bright and shining girl full of spark and energy. Her profession as a light fairy fits her perfectly. Iridesa is detailed, a main perfectionist. Her find joy in things that go her way and hate it whenever on things is out of place. Iridesa constantly strives to maintain perfection and blend around Pixie Hollow, believing that what the best and only way to go about it. Iridesa is her persistent and determined in actions as staying on her goals. She saw amazing energy in the face of any obstacle. No matter how painstaking for the year is, Iridesa never let her life better, and will finally be successful in the end. Nevertheless, Iridesa can always remain optimistic even in time of worry and peril. Even though she is usually the most cautious of the friends, she can still save even brighter than any friend around. In the order kept the pace in her circle of friendship. At the end, she will do anything to help her friends. Thank you.
My name is Mita Lidana with NIM 2861244. Her apply the character found in the film Tinkerbell with personality. Fawn is a tomboyish yet beautiful rascal full of mirth and mischief. She is always ready to play, and the more rough and tumble the game, the better. Fawn is a born prankster. She likes to play tricks on Iridesa, Beck, and Horace. And Tinkerbell loves her mischievous nature. She speaks many different animal languages, but the but the verb-like toothpick is her favorite. Fawn also has a softer side to her, being one of the characters of Mother Dove in the books. She is fluent in most animal laws, given that she has a connection to animals and considered one of the best of her talent. Aside, Borsman is a tomboy rascal and on the things she takes ideas cling to is getting herself gossiped up. As a character of Animals, Fawn has shown to have a strong moral side, especially when she's dealing with baby birds, as she is known to assist the parenting bird in teaching the babies how to fly. She is also said to be the youngest of 10 close friends. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Amelinda Sidokombang Sarangalo, NIM 20801616220. I will introduce my character, Clang, in the movie. Clang is a large tinker-talent sparrowman and isn't particularly bright, though he's a competent tinker. He's usually found helping Bubble, a fellow tinker and his best pal, with something. Clang has a wonderful personality and is always willing to help others, although sometimes he just makes matters worse. And Clang and Bubble are a dynamic duo of sparrowmen who show great pride in being tinkers, unlike Tinker Bell at first. With a brotherly relationship, they are both very intelligent but are also on the bubbling side. Some of their favorite activity include tinkering, of course, and magic tricks. They also enjoy a good show at the fairy tale theater. They are also the only fairies that raised together in the same home tree. Out of the two, Clang is far more dim-witted but is very sweet and sympathetic. Like Bubble, he enjoys being a tinker and is on the more goofy side. He also has a fear of glacier. Bubble appears to be slightly more intelligent than his friend and a bit more crafty. Unlike Clang, however, Bubble tends to be accident-prone, often a victim of some kind to his own invention. In the original film, Tinkerbell entered of the New Fairies. When a new member joined the Tinker Fairies, Clang and Bubble are the first to meet and befriend this newcomer, Tinkerbell. They also act as the welcome committee for the Tinker Fairies and show Tinkerbell the ropes on being a tinker. Despite their friendly way toward things, she disliked her talent as one of the other fairies, Vidya, a fast-flying fairy, who believes the tinkers are the most useless of the fairies. When Tinkerbell expressed her embarrassment on being a tinker to Clang and Bubble, the duo was actually offended. However, after accidentally destroying half of Pixie Hollow, Tinkerbell gains help from Clang and Bubble as they work together to restore their home in time for the fairies to travel the mainland to change the season. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Roselia Frianti with NIM 280166230. So I want to introduce my character in the movie of Tinkerbell. My character is a Bubble. He's a tinker-talent sparrowman. His best friend is a Clang. His nerdiness makes him something of a close stalker, getting into other personal space like a lot of fairies. Bubble, like any reason to celebrate, he loves to talk shop and is usually working on some half-finished invention that was probably a silly idea in the first place. These things seem more rapid and smarter than he every thinker. He is a thinker geek who loves to talk shop and often finds himself, and his best friend is Clang. Is in trouble with Fairy Mary, who was little petitions for shenanigans. Bubble loved his good friend and neighbor Tinkerbell for her talent and skill. Bubble is a fairy with chestnut colored hair and bright blue eyes. He always flirts googles with drop lens for lens that make his eyes appear larger than they are. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sarifah Sinar Mentari dengan NIM 20080 16212. I will introduce my character here. I play the role of the Queen Clarion. I will explain a little about the character of Queen Clarion, which is voiced by Angelica Huston in the film Tinkerbell. Queen Clarion is the leader of fairies who is wise and dignified. Its main concern in the health and welfare of diseased people. Sometimes she is called Queen Free or just Free. She may have the talent of every fairy. Queen Clarion in this film has a character that is a fairy talent visiting the mainland. That is all, and thank you.
Vidya is a fast-flying fairy talent of Iris Descan. He is often uses streams of Enderman, sweater, and cupcake. Without sensitivity, makes color and impatient comments when he has to wait. He was also independent, cunning, and opportunistic. He lives alone in the sour plum tree. Even though he didn't like other fights, he had a weak spot for Prilla and then the editor. He's an antagonist friend of Tinkerbell's, but actually she has a keen character too. But there's a reason why he is.
Good night, everyone. So today we will make film about Tinkerbell. Before we start the film, let me introduce myself and my friend. First, I am Jovan Kanfostin as narrator, Nindi as Tinkerbell and Grunting, Ratna as Silvermist and Vidya, Novi as Rosetta and Garden Fairy, Regita as Iridesa, Mita as Fawn, Amel as Clang, Roselia as Bubble, Sarifah as Queen Clarion and Fairy number 1, Kak Guntur as Fairy number 2 and Mrs. Darling. Let's enjoy the video. Tinkerbell is born from the first love of baby and is brought by the winds to Pixie Hollow. And Queen Clarion welcomes her. She learns that her talent is to be one of the Tinkers, the fairies who make and fix things. Two other Tinker fairies, Bubble and Clang, show her around Pixie Hollow, teach her their craft and show her her house. While out working, the trio are hit by Sprinting Pistol, a type of menacing wit. Tinkerbell meets Silvermist, a water fairy, Rosetta, a garden fairy, Iridesa, a light fairy, and Fawn, an animal fairy. They tell her about the fairy who visit the mainland to bring each season. Tinkerbell is thrilled and cannot wait to go to the mainland for spring. After meeting them, she notices Vidya, a fast-flying fairy who immediately disliked her because of her universally strong talent. Vidya challenges her to prove she will be able to go to the mainland, and Tinkerbell creates several inventions but mess up with them while showing them to the Minister of Spring. Tinkerbell then learns from Queen Clarion that only nature talent fairies visit the mainland. She talks with Fairy Mary, the Tinker Fairy Overseer, who tries to please her with who she is, but instead inspires her to switch her talent. She tries her hand at nature skills, making the drops with Silvermist, lighting fireflies with Iridesa, and trying with Fawn to teach baby birds to fly. But she fails. miserably at all of this. Meanwhile, Bubble and Clang cover for Tinkerbell when questioned by Fairy Mary. When Tinkerbell returns, but Mary and figures out how to put them together. Iridescent, Fawn, Silvermist, and Rosetta witness her doing this. Then tell her that she should be proud of her talent. If this is what she's good at, the mainland should not matter. But Tinkerbell still want to go to the mainland. She asks Rosetta if she will still teach her to be garden fairy, to which she does to teach her how to be a fast-flying fairy. Then explain that her friend gave up on her. Vidya craftily tells her that capturing the sprinting Taistle would be proof her worth as a garden fairy. However, once she sees Tinkerbell making progress, she lets the captured Taistle loose, and in attempting to recapture them, they destroy all the preparation for spring. Tinkerbell decides to leave, but after talking with Terence, a Deuce Keeper Fairy, about how important his job is, she realizes the importance of a tinker. Tinkerbell redeems herself by inventing machines that quicken the process of decorating flowers, ladybugs. This allows the other fairies to get back on schedule, thus saving the arrival of spring. Vidya is punished from prompting her to cause the chaos, and Queen Clarence allows Tinkerbell to join the nature talent fairies when they bring spring to the mainland, which she declines, having realized her talent. However, Fairy Mary arrives with the music box Tinkerbell fixed and gives her task of delivering it to original owner, who is soon to be Wendy Darling. Have you ever wondered how nature gets its glow? Who gives it light and color as the season come and go? Who helps all creatures, great and small, to walk, to swim, to fly? Who crafts such a tiny details? You might see them if you try, for it's all the work of fairies, but they stay well out of sight.
Hello.
Hello? Hello, Queen Clarence. Born of laughter, clouded in fear. Happiness has brought you here. Welcome to Pixie Hollow. I trust you found your way all right. I think so. Now, let's see about the swing. What are these things? They will help you find your talent. Little one, but how will I know which one is? You will know.
Wow, never seen one glow that much before, even for Vidya.
You know, I do believe you're right. Little Daisy thought might be a very rare talent in the. Come forward, Tinkerfiles, and welcome the newest member of your talent guild, Tinkerbell.
Glad we had a bet today. Clang.
Excuse us?
Coming through.
Sorry. Make way for Tinker. Heady hi, heady ho. Miss Bell, I'm Clang. Flinders Clang, say it. Don't spray it. Finesty Cavalry Esquire at your service. Pleased to make your acquaintance. Oh, who? This Bubble, I'm Clang. Clang, Bubble, we're pleased as a pile of perfectly polished pots you're here. Oh, me too. Come on, Miss Bell. There's so much to show you. You're arrived at a most wondrous and glorious time. Really? Why?
Why? It's almost time for the changing of the seasons. You see, here in a Pixie Hollow. Itu juga kan ya? Berarti.
Langsung dari Amel aja lagi ulang kayak gitu aja, Mel.
Amel udah masuk ke ini?
Itu udah.
Okay. Sorry, make way for Tinker. Heady hi, heady ho, Miss Bell. I'm Clang Splinters. Clang. Say it, don't spray it. Phineas T. Cutlery Esquire at your service. Please, to make your acquaintance. Oh, who? Miss Bubble, I'm Clang. Clang, Bubble, we're pleased at a pile of perfectly polished pots you're here. Ooh, me too. Come on, Miss Bell, there's so much to show you. You have arrived at a most wondrous and glorious time. Really? Why?
Why? It's almost time for the change of the season. You see, here in the Pixie Hollow, there are different realms for every times of year. Well, there's no one up ahead. Winter woods, it's always cold here. Look there, snowflakes and frost finally returning home for some well-deserved rest. I am. There's just finishing bringing winter to the world. It's the off-season for the autumn fairies too.
Always practicing that perfect shade of amber,
And the fairy of the summer glade still have plenty of time to get ready.
But not as much as the autumn fairies, of course, because, well...
Yes, Clanky, because right now, fairy of every Thailand are preparing for my favorite season, springtime. Oh,
Get along, little sportlings. And Dick, hello there, come on. Miss Bell, you got to see where we live. Welcome to Tinker's Knock. Oh, wow. Oh, come on. There's so much to show you cute. Just taking some supplies down. They're taking supplies down to the workshop.
Let it go.
watch out for falling. Watch out for falling maple sets. Wow! And over here is where most of us live. There's your house, Tinkerbell. It's mine?
Sure is. We were hoping the new arrival would be one of us, so we got the place already. We rounded up some work clothes. We didn't know your size. Yes, our apologies, but they may be too big. Yeah, well, that's only 'cause you're so tiny. That's all. That will do. Clang, please come on down to the workshop when you are ready. Fairy Mary will want to meet you. Goodbye. Oh, stop. What? A 5 ghost string for an eagle. Clang, I told you it took a 7. Oh, so you said 5, I said 7. Oh, Clang, I tell you something. Sometimes you can be pretty. So pretty. Who's that then? It's Tinkerbell. You snail brain. Wow, everyone seems so busy. Well, spring won't spring itself. Indeed, my blowing body, and we Tinkers are a big part of it. Allow us to allocate it, Miss Bell.
When preparing for spring, we do all this time and more. Yes, being a tinker is never a bore. That was great. So you see, Miss Bell, we help fairies of every talent with our creations. Unfortunately, Alder's fairy are out of luck this year, unless we can actually directly test things to them. The Walgon repairs are finished, I trust. Yes, Fairy Mary. Tip-top shape. No wells missing whatsoever. Then, let's see it. And you see? Well, see with your eyes. Define see, actually. You have to meet Tinkerbell. What? Who? She's no. Fiery Mary. Nice to meet you. Rapture a new chance on whom we can lavish all our tinkering wisdom and expertise. Let me see the sense. 13 teapots so dainty. Don't worry there. We'll build up those tinker muscles is not time. Okay. Now, boys, the deliveries? Aye, where's on it? As a matter of fact, we're heading Oudrake this second. But we've only got one wheel. What was that? Nothing, really. Clank was just asking if I can go as well. Yeah, good one, very nice. Yes, I wondered that. If you could go with us, yes. That's especially what he was saying. Very well, get on with it then. Snow down, cheese, I cannot keep up.
The Moses and his kid.
Must be, he always come when we yell it.
Sprinting Tito. Bubble, bubble. Easy, easy boy. It's alright. Pounds got you. Easy, easy girl. It's alright. Silver Miss got you. Oh, you're alright. Sugar can. Be careful, Rosetta. She may fight. Leave it her legs. No, wait. I mean her head. Wait. Okay, I will. If she is red, rest the head. If she's pale, rest the tail. Does she look pale or red? She looks crazy. Sorry. Here, let me raindrop. So what happened to you, anyway? Well, it was sprinting Tito. Those weeds are an absolute menace. Always trembling things, poking people and in the foot petunia.
Gather round, ladies. We brought some selection from the new spearing line of Tinker specialties. Alright, show us. What do you bring? Your rainbow tubes, Iridesa? Finally, a silver mitts. Could you help me? Oh, where are you gonna do with that? I'm gonna take it to the mainland. What's the mainland? It is where we're gonna go change winter to spring. The season changes all the time there. I get to apply my artistic sensibilities. Yeah, and I have a breakfast ready for all the little pussy coming out of hibernation. We just follow the second star, read the breast, follow the wave, all the way across the sea, and then there it is. Wow, the mainland sounds pretty pickled. Yes, the glamorous lives of the natural talent fairy. Would love to stay and chat, but we thinkers have real work to do, right?
Don't get your wings in a bunch.
Don't be like that. Nice to meet you all.
You to fly with your letter.
Fly with you later.
Right, here we are. A pretty like order of pollen spot for the lasting is berry, bustle to the berry to the glen. It's okay if I just catch up with you later. Oh, I suppose. Can you find your way back? Yeah, sure I can. Well, alright then, just be careful. Hi there. Sorry, Vidya, right? We didn't officially meet. I'm Tinkerbell. Oh yes, the new girl. That's right. So, what's your talent? What do you think it is? You're a pollenizer, pollinator, pollen picker, pollen plucker? I'm a fast-playing fairy, a true real talent. And this is but a small part of what I do. I make breezes in the summer, blow down leaves in the fall, My wings ever broke you here, there. Fairies of every talent depend on me. Hey, they're just like what I do. Excuse me? I'm a Tinker Fairy of every talent too. So we're kind of the same, you know? Sweetest, I make force of nature. You make phones and kettles. I work up in the sky and you work down in a ditch. Hey, don't get me wrong, sunshine. Being a tinker is really swell and all, but I will go around bring around your talent. It's not like sparing depends on you. Of course it does. And when I go to the mainland, I prove just how important we are. When who goes to the mainland? Me, of course, for Sparling. Oh, of course. You'll profit it, Yes, I will. Well, I, for one, am looking forward to that. Excuse me? No, excuse me. Mine is a rare talent. Oh, truck and tail tinkers don't matter. I show her what a rare talent really is. When Hi Ting, what you got there? Oh hi, I don't know, I just found them. Lusting. Yeah, stuff get lost and waste up on Neverlands from time to time. You know, from the mainland. This come for the mainland. The place sound more fantastical all the time. Berry bushes, check. Pollen pots, check. Lusting, check. Huh? Lustings? Why are you painting with the junk? Well, there was just so you must be wasting your time with the rubies. And I won't have to clever up my hornsock and ask for you to know our dilly around. And don't forget about the Queen's review tonight. Goodness, there's still so much to be done. Thank you. Sorry about your tinkers, Miss Bell. Well, we'll just be getting ready for the review. Anyway, what is the Queen review? You see, the Queen is going to review all the preparation of Spring. Yeah, it's a good time for us tinkers to show what we can do. Oh, indeed. Really?
Like me, I can be a wheel. Perfect. That's my change. Okay, everybody, turn. Ready for the best court ever. Over here. Splendid. Stay those neatly. Plenty of time before the Queen arrives.
It's the Queen. What? She's here. No. Play music, Paris. Yes, play.
Queen Clarence. Oh, Queen Clarence. Did I missing anything? No. You, gone. It's alright. I came up with some fantastic things for Tinker to us. Then we go to the mainland. What's he talking about? Let me show you. First, maybe Chima and the whole right. The little bit can lead us. So you just stand the labor and it's oops. It's kind of work in progress. Yes, very clever. Oh, and I make this too. It's a flower sprayer.
Tinkerbell, I here allow me to demonstrate. Sorry, but wait till you see this last one. Tinkerbell, sweetheart, has no one explained what. Tinker Fairies don't go to the mainland there. What? All of those things are done by the Nature Talent Fairies. Your work is here in Pixie Hollow, but I took that. I'm sorry, Tinkerbell. Oh, okay, no, that's good. I mean, I really couldn't make it anyway, so good, yeah. This actually works out good. I mean, well, so I'm just gonna, yeah, bet so soon. You didn't go? Goodness, no. Or too much work to do down here. Vidya was right. Being a tinker sting. Excuse me, it's just why don't we get to go to the mainland? The mainland will give us a feel of fables about the mainland, but Fairy Mary the other fairies get to go. No, Tinkerbell, are you a garden fairy? Well, no. Are you a light fairy? No. Animal fairy? Water fairy? Perhaps. No and no. No, you are not. You are Tinker. It's who you are. Be proud of it. The day you can magical make the flowers go. A chapter, the ray of the sun and what not, then you can go. Until then, your work is here. Good idea. Very merry.
Get your pics dust yet?
Just did. Nice day for flying.
Sure is. Here you go, Silver Mist. Thank you, Terence. I hope Tinkerbell is okay. I know that poor little sapling. See, look at pretty Will said yesterday. Well, I won't blame her if she stayed in bed all day, morning girls.
Tinkerbell,
Guess what? I decided I'm not gonna be a Tinker Fairy anymore. What will I was thinking? Why do I have to be a tinker? Just cause some silly hammer cloth? I mean, who to say it's one so big mistake? Maybe I can just switch my talent. Switch your talent. I don't know, Tinkerbell. If you could teach me your talent any of time, maybe I could show the queen I can work with nature too. And then she'd let me go to the mainland for spring. Oh, Tinkerbell, that's just not how it works. Well, maybe she could. She could. Well, I've never heard of someone switching talents before. She right? Me neither. Look, you all do things that are beautiful and magical and important, but me, well, there's gotta be more to my life than just thoughts and thoughts. All I'm asking is that you give me a chance. I help you, Tinkerbell. Thank you, Sil. Me too. Will be fun. Will freeze time for everything. I guess what fun can come from dream. Well, I still thinking this is a bad idea.
So, for your first day of water fight training, I could show you how to make ripples in the pond. Okay, or teach you how to talk to the bubbling brook. Oh, that sounds fun. To or white. I got it. Do drops on spider webs. Come on, I show you how to do it. Good luck, Ting. You can do it. Go them. Just cup your hand like this, reach into the water, and okay, you heard of the drop. This is a done drop. That water fire humor, it's good. Come on. Okay, Ting, now this next part can be a little tricky. It takes a very steady, delicate hand to wear your dewdrop. Oh, Tinkerbell, I'll talk sometime. Humors glow for a reason. Wow, you know, you always struck me as a light fire kind of girl.
Alright then. No. Wait, Clang. Will you to stop marking about what Clang did was he took it off. Bubble told me that I should. As if Tinkerbell has got her work done mysteriously. Where is she, anyway? Well, you see, she went with cheese too. No, Clang means she wants to get cheese, you see. The food purchased the mouse. Yes, the food purchased the mouse. Because he was winning. Yeah, like a baby.
Like a little wee baby? There. Okay. What can I teach you that's gonna do the least amount of damage? Oh, I know. Follow me, Tinkerbell. The last light of day. It's the richest kind of all. Wait for it. Okay. And now? Oh, wow. Huh? It's incredible. Now, for the fun part. Do you think it's heavy? No, it's light. Okay. Stay. Here, let me. No, I must go eat. If I just get you started, this is impossible. Look out. Oh no. Wah, I wonder how it's going. Fly, Ting, fly.
We'll save you, Ting.
Bob and weave.
Cover your sushi. We fiddle and fix. Craft and create. Carve buckets to hold flour paint. Preparing for spilling.
We do all this and more. Yes, being a tinker is never a bore. Yes, being a tinker is never a bore.
Tinkerbell, I like work with you. Very merry. See, I was on my reverse and it actually came off. Save it. I know what you've been up to, Missy. And I had thought take hopes for you.
We're teaching baby birds how to fly. First, you have to get their attention. Smile and establish trust. See, okay, open your wings, honey, and flap them up and down. That's the way. Faster. That's right. Yes, you're doing it okay. Come out this way a little bit. You're okay. You got it. Keep flapping. Hey, why don't you help then last little play? Okay, just smile and establish trust. Hey there. Hey, little fella, you wanna do some flap today? Oh, sure, you do. All you do is, you just flap your wings like this. No. None of that. Come on, all we gotta do is, oh, look, I'm going to level with you, okay? I can vomit out on the wall water and light fire things, and I'm starting to run out of Odin's hair. Have you called sea fight to flap your little wings and take flight for a few milliseconds? I may be able to go to the mainland and bring happiness to the world. What do you say? Brooke answered, if I end up making a corn cookies for the rest of my life, I'm holding you personally responsible. Hey, look at this. Okay, just stop screaming. Or you just hey. Okay, wait. I'm letting go. This is not working. Hey, maybe that you guy can help. He's a really good flyer. Guy up there. How?
What's happening? Quick, hide.
Look out. Tinkerbell in trouble. Hey, Lydia, This is my hiding spot. But it's all yours now. No, get him. Get him.
What?
You alright?
So scary. Are you okay, Vidya? Let me help you. Don't shoot me. I'm fine. But I was only trying to help. Well, stop crying, Tinkerbell. I can hold water. I can hold light. Bird had me. I'm just so asleep, being great. I failed for the third time in a row. At this rate, I should get to the main line right about. Oh, never. Oh, yes. Feel beautiful.
You fix it.
Wow.
Beautiful. Amazing. What are you guys doing here?
I mean, with the sparkling this thing I've ever seen, and I've seen a lot of sparkling things. It's a really pretty thingy. What is it? I don't know. I just found it. Tinkerbell, don't you ever realize what you're doing? You're tinkering. What? No. No, this is. I want just creating to get it. Figuring things out. Fixing stuff like this. Then one thing, that's what tinkering is, sweetie. Do you like doing this? Is it what you really love? Yeah. What? Who cares about going to the mainland anyway? Well, I do remember. I want to see where their thing come from. Why are you saying this? Are you just giving up on me? I mean, aren't you going to teach me to be a garden fairy anymore? Sweetie pea, I think this is your talent. Think we just want you to be happy. If you really want me to be happy, you help me get to the mainland like you promised. Please, Tinkerbell, just think about it. Will you teach me how to be a fast flying fairy? Please, I know I could do it. With your help, I can't be flying as fast as you in on time. Vidya, your mindless hope. All my friends have given up on me. Rosetta, one ever trying to teach me to be a garden fairy now. I bet I could at least find some flower or plant some flowers. I mean, there must be something I could do. Or if you really want to be a garden fairy, capture the spring things. Well, okay, I can do this. Yeah, okay, ready, Jessie? Come on, there, just wait. Basit, there went only 7 or 9 at the most, right? Yeah, we can do this. I know we can do this. What do you say? As a boy, this ought to be good. Hey.
Come on, you. Oh, come on. Just a bit the way. It's working. Come on. Wait. Come back. This thing just one lesson. Come on, kids. Go. Okay, definitely more than 8. Let's fell into the coral. in an ordinary manner. Wait. Oh no. Come on. Come on now. Sorry. Sorry. Excuse me. So sorry. This is the last bit.
Look out. Sorry. Sorry. Oh no. Think. What happened? Tinkerbell. What did you think you were doing? I was just trying to. I thought if I could capture the disease, then there isn't a garden fairy alive who can control the sweets. What were you trying to prove? I see striking. This has all gone too far. By the second star, all the preparation for spring. How did this? Queen Colorion, it was me. I did it. It was all my fault. Tinkerbell, I'm sorry.
I don't think we can fix this in time. We're going to have to cancel spring or postpone in at that the fairylands.
What? And put my snowflake fairies back to work. Oh no.
But we can do that. If the snow isn't melted, the seedlings won't grow. The fruit won't ripen in the summer, and in the autumn, there will be nothing to harvest. Spring must happen on time, or the balance of nature will be undone. There must be something we can do. Constantly, this has happened before it has. Did you ever hear of the Ice Age? Settle down, all of you. Very merry. Is it even possible to radio everything in such a short time? No.
Oh no, we were so close and now it's all gone.
Who's going to find our leaves now?
The apples and pumpkins will never grow.
No rolling hills comfort is the fault.
And it took months to harvest all thoughts that.
Animals walking from hibernation will have nothing to eat. You okay, Ting? Yeah, I'm fine. I just come hoping to get a quick rival. I'm going away for a while. Oh, Will, how long you going to be gone? Will, actually, forever, Will. In that case, a double scope. Forever's a pretty long time, so I heard. Thanks, Terence. You know my name. Well, sure, why would I? I don't know. I'm just a dust keeper guy. I'm not exactly since I'm the most important fairy in Pixie Hollow. Terence, what are you talking about? You're probably the most important on there is. Without you, no one would have any magic. Why, your talents make you who you are. You should be proud of it. I mean, I am. It better get going. I just be proud of your talent. What talent? I can't even get that silly things to work. Those things. That's it. I changed everyone. I'm afraid I have distant snows. There is no spring can come on time. Months of work was lost. and it will take few months to restore it all. So when the ever blossom opens tomorrow, I'm afraid we will not be going to the mainland for spring. Wait, I hope we can fix everything. Tinkerbell, Tinkerbell, I don't think this is. Just hear me out, please. You, how long does it take you to paint a ladybug? I don't know. 10 minutes, I guess. See, we can build more. I can show you how. Making paint, gathering seeds, we can do it all in no time. We have to. Let's try. Wait. Are we really gonna listen to her? This is the reason we're in this mess in the first place. But I can fix it. Yippee, Tinkerbell going to save us with your double little change.
Hide the squirrels. What is your problem, Vidya? Why do you think you are so much better than me? I'm better than you, sweetie. I did run spring. At last now I'm trying to help. Have you ever helped anyone besides yourself? Well, I tried to help you. Maybe I should have told you to capture the hawk inside of the dishwasher. Perhaps Tinkerbell was not the only one responsible. It seemed to me that your first flying talent is well suited to chasing down each and every one of the dishes. Me, yes, I accept them all to be returned to needlepoint. Me though, as soon as possible, but that could take forever. That I suggest you get started now. Tinkerbell, are you sure you can do this? Yes, because I'm Tinker, it's who I'm, and Tinker fix things, but I can do it alone. Come on, ask Miss Bell, I help. So, as holding, I help you, me too. Okay, gather up all the twigs you can, all different size and tree shape. We need lots of that. But most important, we need to find lost thing. Okay, what have you got? How about this? Will this? Can you ask this frizzy thing, Miss Bell? Oh, yeah.
It's not fuzzy.
Yes, it is. No, it isn't. String, hammer, magnificent, please. Thank you, and that's how you do it. Now, what do you suppose You smell funny. Oh, I saw it first. I bumped into it.
Just disappear. So you just scratch this, then let it go, then let it go, and see, simple. No, you spot the version, and we'll have plenty of paint in no time. 6, 7, 8. You did it, Tinkerbell. You severed string. We all did it. When Clarence can think come with us the mainland. Yeah, that's done so much for everyone. No, you guys, really. I don't need to go. Buttercup it's what ended. It's okay. My work is here, and I still have so much to do. I gotta.
Not here, you don't. Well, but I don't. Surprise, Miss Bell. On your teeny dancer, actually, I ran across this myself many seasons ago. I didn't have a clue what it was or how to fix it, but you did, Tinkerbell. Your eye could a rare talent indeed. I had imagined there's little girl out there was missing this. What do you mean? Oh, I think that perhaps I certain Tinkerbell may have a job to do after all. On the mainland, You mean
I knew you'd get to go.
Oh, dang, we can help, Miss Bell. We can help. I'm strong. I'm so happy for you. Come on. We gotta go line up. Thank you. Your hands, but how will I find who each belongs to? Look, no. No book. Good heavens. Thank you, Ting. Hey, something to help you on the main line. Insurance. That's so sweet. Good luck, Ting. Future Air Virus. Future Air. The main line awaits.
Mommy, guess what?
Yes, Wendy. What is it, darling?
A fairy work is much more than at first it might appear. You did it. Suppose your broken clock ticks to it hasn't in year. Perchance you find a toy you lost or jingling bells you hear. It all means that one very special fairy might be near. This is our video, and thank you for enjoying, and see you next time.
Okay, thank you everyone for your work. Nice job. And okay, for ma'am. Hey ma'am, good night. I hope ma'am likes our video. Sorry if there are problems in the network. Well, we are recording this video and wrong words in the pronunciation in English. We hope your ma'am understand our situation. Thanks for the time and opportunity, ma'am. Thank you very much.